tell, this really isn't all that hard when it really comes down to it.
Now's your chance to go ahead and start the car up. Go ahead and start it, put it into ignition first. Let this pump prime a little bit, and then go ahead and start it. It frequently can take a little bit to start because it's pressurizing, you know, this whole fuel system to go. But after a little bit, caught up, idled just fine. I let it idle for quite some time, revved it up quite a bit. Went in and drove it just a little bit to make sure everything was doing okay. Also double checked all through here to make sure that we don't have any leaks or anything going on, and it's completely fine. So all you need to do is put this cover back on. Really only kind of goes one way, so if you find that the holes don't line up, just keep turning it. See, and even now, see, it doesn't line up. Just keep turning it until you get it in the position where it does go through. It only goes in one way. Go ahead and put those nuts back on. Lastly, really quickly, this collar is actually 35 Newton meters. It actually says it on the collar, which is kind of cool. But if you did want to torque it down to the proper amount, it's 35 Newton meters. Okay, so go ahead and put the cover back on. Go ahead and put the screws back on. You put your seat back on and just tuck your seat belts back up through the holes in your seat base, and you're all done. Congratulations.
All right, y'all, all done. Go ahead and clean them, put your tools away, and you can tell this really isn't all that hard when it really comes down to it. It just only takes a few simple tools and some time and a little bit of patience and care. You want to make sure you don't get any dirt or debris into your tank, and you make sure you swap in your new pump carefully and get all that done without really making a mess or getting gas all over the inside of your car. But with a few simple tools, this is something you can easily do yourself, save yourself all of that effort and time, and also cost of someone else having to do it for you. Reminder, everything you need will be listed in the description below for parts and everything else, so make sure to check that out. Please click subscribe and the little alarm bell. It makes a huge difference to my channel, as you can imagine, and then you get all the notifications from my upcoming content, and I have a ton of things coming I can't wait to bring to you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I'll see you on my next video.